Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And today, guys, I'm going to analyze. I'm going to talk about Tesla. Remember, guys, Tesla right now is still trading 244. And guys, so the thing I'm thinking about Tesla, I'm going to update the same thing, guys. Tesla is going to bounce around this area, around between two. Around 236 37 to here, guys. So either Tesla can drop a little 5%, $5, $6, and they will bounce back. So guys, Tesla is bullish. We cannot ignore that Tesla is bullish. And guys, let's see crypto. So Tesla is bullish. When you see the crypto, guys, right now you see Bitcoin is neutral, is 0.3% up, and then guys, and then when you check, guys, ETH here, ETH is red, 0 point some is still neutral, and then Binance here, you see Binance is negative 0.1, -1, almost -2. XRP, guys, here is green, Cardano is green, ADA is green. And guys, when market's going to open tomorrow, guys, we are going to see crypto, probably crypto maybe will be green tomorrow, red, defending, guys, but probably is going to drop tomorrow. And then on Tuesday, will, I believe Tuesday will be brand new. So before I go to chat, I'm going to read you something over here, guys. So I'm going to read this one, how hawkish Fed could be killing the paper bull market rally. So let's go and start from here, guys. So I'm going to read this one, and then after CPI, so guys, how hawkish Fed will kill the paper bull market rally in US stock. So guys, we know Google, guys, these stocks, guys, the blue stock, or yeah, we can say tech, Google, Netflix, Microsoft, Facebook, or Meta. Wow, guys, right now when you see that chart, you see most of them is oversold and it's very bullish, guys. So let's read here, guys. So this was written by the Joseph Anfield. So his market will be see some turbulence depending on the outcome on Wednesday meeting. Wall Street is calling a hawkish post. So guys, we are expecting a red hike to be posted, and then they call it, guys, in bracket hawkish push or a hawkish skip. It is a notion that the Federal Reserve will deliver hawkish short to market, even retrain from raising rate when the 2 days policy meeting on end of Wednesday. So guys, we can see on Wednesday, and we believe, guys, we have two scenario. Either they will go to add only one basic one rate hike, which is 0.2 or 25 basic point, and there are concerns that such as outcome could spark turnaround in US economic stock, especially if uncomfortable strong reading on May inflation due the coming Tuesday. Just the Fed policy meet is isolated to begin to push a central bank toward the meeting even more extremely likely deliver rate increase on Wednesday, despite admitting that the plan is to obtain. The May consumer price index is forecasting to raise 4% for the year, and down from raise of the 4.9, while the core, this the guys were expecting. They're expecting number one price, this the consumer price, to increase by 4, and down from raise of the 4.9, while the core index include the food and the energy price easing to raise 5.3 from 5.5. So they are between there, guys. They are expecting from there. On other hand, the sign that the economy has been weakened and inflation has continued to fade. So this is a good guy Fed, like inflation is almost done, will help the Fed to adjust to skip the rate high increase in June. As several senior officials have suggested, while signaling that the potential hike is following the meeting in July will be final. So in case we have the rate hike has been said before, they are going to post on the July cycle. Softening US data could be support call that junior skipping could be eventually turned into the July pause. The next week, most of the data expected to remain weak or a little changes. Retail sales could be flat. The Fed regional service should be remain negative territory. Consumer sentiment will be wave. So guys, when you read these things, guys, you are expecting to post rate hike, and that's cool, guys. This will be take Tesla to moon, and also will take all this Apple. It says Apple. So let's see FOMO, CPI, and other key roles. So guys, I'm going to read you news. This is for this week. We are going to begin tomorrow. The last week was fair flat week with SP 500 SPY finished slightly high on week. There was an Apple even when they were announcing the VR headset to appear to be mixed review. The market seemed to like. So guys, in short, Tesla's another crazy week is ended up with 10% close around 245 candle. This week is packing a news event. The form is big one of the week, but we are also have CPI, PPI, bond action, oil reserve, which may be important for OPEC cut. The plenty of the other big news without further ado. Here are the 5 themes to watch on market. So we are going to see the factors, guys, which will carry market this week. Remember, guys, this is dealing in small market, and you know, guys, like cryptocurrency, it has 2 major like sec, but generally we are now talking about stock. This is stock and the crypto. So number 1, guys, this is the one of the factors that we are going to see this week. Number 1 is FOM, guys, standing for Forum Open Market Community, will be releasing an economic projection statement and the federal funds rate. They followed by the press conference, then to announce, usually close watched by investors as they provide insight into the current economic condition. So guys, that's a work for FOMO. The number 1 thing there, the projection, to release the economic projection statement and the Federal Reserve rate, followed by press conference. So after releasing those 3 statements, they are going to announce and usually close watched by investors as they provide insight into the current economic condition and the monetary policy stance for Federal Reserve. Any unexpected changes or a hint about the future interest rate decision could be significantly influence the stock market behavior due to their implication for rate, timing, and monetary printing. So guys, all of these things, guys, after releasing the economic projection, we are going to see due to the implication of the rates, timing, and monetary printing. This is what Jerome Powell printing money. This is event that can break a week, so it's important to remember that cash is always positioned. So guys, this guy is part of advice. When you see this conclusion, guys, this guy says that it's important to have cash than to have stock or a share of anything. So that say it is important to remember cash is always positioned. So factor number 2 here, guys, we are going to talk about CPI. This week we have a core CPI. So as well as time This I think month, yearly CPI number. This indicates the measures of changes in the price level of the basket of the consumer goods and services. This is consumer goods, this glossary and what, and then these services is like transport, communication, all of this stuff. This is the number of everyone usually point to. We usually point to when we talk about inflation. An unexpected increase in the CPI number. This is what the guys got. In case of CPI increases number, can signal rising inflation. So that if they were thinking to go to post a rate hike, now they are going to increase rate hike if the CPI number will be higher. So which might be signal Fed to continue to raise interest rate. On the other hand, the lower unexpected CPI, if the CPI is low, it may cause the Fed to pause or even lower the rate hike, either to pause or to raise and to lower. Keep where were current. This or softening while releasing tab, especially keep now information headline topic. So this, remember, that's our number 2 factor. So number 3, now we are going to see PPI. On the opposition side of the price equation, we have the PPI. It measures the average changes in the price received by economic products for their finished goods. It is a leading indicator of consumer price inflation. When the produce pay more for goods and services, they are more likely to pass those costs to the consumers. If the PPI data came higher than, so this what guys are expecting. If the PPI data come higher than the expected, could be sign the information will still increasing. So either CPI increase, either PPI increase. So if the PPI is more expected, they are going to increase. Rate hike will be added more pressure to the Fed by correlated to measures in the market general. So now we are going to see number 4, retailer seller. So we are going to see business, how the business work. Retailer sellers data, it might be indicated broadcasting consumer spending pattern. It is important. Note that this is the value of all retained spending, not the volume. This significant difference between while the volume may be increasing over the time. If the price of the good, this is the important, guys. So this is we are going to see if the price of the good is significantly higher than the actual economic activity, may shrinking. So if the good is the higher than the actual economic, they may shrinking each item costing more. Either way, this is a pretty significant important. It's pretty significant forward indicator of economic activity in US, as we mostly consume based on the economic. So number 5, we are going to see consumer sentiment. Finally, it's consumer sentiment index measures the level of the consumer confidence in US economy. This is standing out of the potential important report. So guys, important report as if the true forward indicator is always people feel about high economy. The higher than expected reading will be bullish. So guys, this is important. If the consumer sentiment is the high expected in reading, this is the opposite from CPI, PPI, and what else? Because we know number 1 was a FOMO, CPI, PPI, retailer sellers, but consumer, if the expected is higher than the expected, would this mean the higher the expected reading will be bullish for the stocks market, while lower than expected, if the consumer will lower, reading can be bearish. After the week, the peak news releasing this may not usually more the market all that much important. So guys, today I'm going to talk about the factors. We saw the news, we saw the factors which will go to lead this week. This for stock market mostly. It's also in the cryptocurrency, but the cryptocurrency right now, guys, it has more negative side. So guys, I'm bullish on Tesla, and also guys I'm bullish on Facebook guys. Always guys I'm using Facebook, like is always leading Tesla. So like right now Tesla, we are somewhere like Tesla here. This is what the price 196. This is, I'm equating, this is like a Tesla. I'm going to show you guys, we are like Tesla over here, and then so first Tesla is going to, okay, you see this area, do you see this chart? So let's go to compare Tesla and Meta, right? Yeah, we are going to compare Tesla and Meta. So let me go to bring Tesla, and then you compare and Meta. Tesla again. I'm going to, this is what I did guys from last year, looking the chart for Tesla. So when you see this is guys this May 20, this not this event, even not May, this June, between May and June 2022, June 22, when Tesla guys reached around 208 now, and right now we are between 208 and this area, right? So I'm going to show you about Facebook, and I will come to tell you what will be. So on June, let me try to see June exactly, man. So if you'll be watching guys, so like for Tesla right now, Tesla is something like here after this news. So what we are going to expect Tesla guys, so Tesla is going to drop to confirm this point, which will be so yeah, so it dropped there. So I'm going to tell you about Tesla. Facebook guys, Facebook already guys doing a great job, and this is the when Facebook reached around, let me push this one, yeah, Facebook somewhere here. Facebook reached oversold around 70, reached around 88. So this is the uptrend for Tesla, Meta, and we saw this was the support, and I'm going to do more on Tesla because something we are focused on Tesla. You are focused on Tesla right now, and I'm going to guys on this video I'm also to go to show you about so Tesla is around here guys right now, and it's going to pull toward this area, which is price. So Tesla guys, after pumping, Tesla will come to 37, maybe it's going to 266, and the Tesla we are going to buy Tesla guys at the 220, around 220, which is this price. Yeah, you are going to buy Tesla at 220. Yeah, if you miss Tesla guys, if you are not going to buy, you can buy right now Tesla and sell at 266, and then come at buy at 220. So you see this, yeah. So let's go to cryptocurrency right now guys. So I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. So guys, I'm going to do about Bitcoin. I did Bitcoin today, and also I'm going to see what target for Bitcoin. So guys, we know this the idea. I draw down to Bitcoin, so we are expecting anything can happen with Bitcoin guys. So what I heard about Bitcoin, and this can make Bitcoin to drop to around 22 to 17,000. I'm seeing Bitcoin to reach even 20, to come to test this lowest point around this area, around 16,000, exactly around 16,000. because government can crash finance, and guys, that will be leading a lot of sell-off, and yeah, it can lead a lot of sell-off. And let me read for you here, guys. So I did video about it. So this is the latest news. Say Bitcoin price is significantly risky to crash below 25,400. Remember, guys, whenever you see article like this one, is always will follow in next day or next 4 hours. So before I read about this one, you see this article came in 2 hours, and some people like you, we are going to watch right now. Bitcoin price significantly to risk to crash below 2500. Bitcoin price is struggling below 26. It could be start another decline if we break the key 25,400. So let's see where is Bitcoin heading to. The first one, Bitcoin is moving lower below 26,100. Support will be 2600 in a 100-hour simple moving average, and then is the key bearish trend forming with the resistance that is 26,000. Remember, guys, I'm going to talk about 26,000, not 2600. So Bitcoin price remain downtrend. Let's see this news say the Bitcoin price struggled to settle above 26,500 resistance zone. Bitcoin declined below 26,150 support to move the bearish zone. The recent high was formed near 26,133, and the price is now moving low. They were breaking below 50 plus retracement level for upward moving 25,400 upward low. So I want to see if Bitcoin will break down. So I want to show you guys what they are saying about when Bitcoin break downside. You see, these people, they are the same charts like my charts, and then yeah, so they put support over here, and I'm going to show you what they are thinking about. Okay, the next key resistance 27,500, 28, and if they loses Bitcoin, they see Bitcoin dropping, breaking 25,750. The next major support is 25,400, and below which will be 2500 support near term. Technical indicator. Hourly MACD is now gaining more space in the bearish zone. Hourly RSI strength, relative strength index, RSI Bitcoin below 50. The major support level, this one 25,570, followed by 25,500. So I've already reached about resistance symbol 26,150, 26,500. So but me, guys, we can be, because whales are buying Bitcoin right now, and which that's a cool thing. That's the best thing, guys, because people like, not people but the rich people, the whales are buying right now. So when you see on RSI here right now, guys, this is the 45 minutes. You see RSI is around 50, and always, guys, I don't look on 45. I'm always, even 4 hours, I don't look. So always when you see 4 hours, that is always showing, guys, what will be happen. So remember the yellow line, this is where I think this is the MACD, or this is the charts, and then the blue line over here, you see here, this is the, and when you check right now, guys, Bitcoin is trading around 41, and I'm always saying, guys, whenever you see something is around 41, automatically is bearish. And guys, Bitcoin is not going to move upward until it reach the oversold. So right now, guys, if you are going to watch this video, can you text me which coin or will be number 3? Because right now we know number 1 is Bitcoin, number 2 ETH, Ether, Right now we don't have number 3. Number 3 which is between ADA, XRP, Binance, Dogecoin. So leave Dogecoin. So Matic, they have problem. So I'm going to see number 3 guys in future will be Dogecoin. Dogecoin guys will be the people money. And thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and have a nice day. Bye.